Hi there, what's up? Welcome to Economics, and this is an introductory lecture in which I'll be teaching you if you want to join the data analytics Excel classes, so how you could do so. So I'll be sharing my screen right now. Go to Google, type www.economics.com. Go to services, click on software training. Further open the web page. You will find all the details on economics.com/degree-based software training. And you will find the highlights, the training offerings, the format, duration, objectives, skill level required, prerequisite skill levels, that is, and then you will find a form. So if you are an individual, okay, so if you are an individual, so you have to fill up this form clicking on individual. However, if you are an institution, obviously you need to click on the institution drop down. So for an individual, all you need to do is then, let's say, Shreya Roy, your school, let's say ABC, email, phone number, and then I would say either select data analytics and data management, or I would say just select Excel, advanced Excel. You can obviously multiple select, but for data analytics using Excel, I would suggest that you click on this one. And it is not a required field, but if you're an individual, please click and type 1. And when would you like to receive a call so that we can discuss your requirements? Let's say tomorrow morning 9 to 12. And if you have any requirements, let's say I want to learn about VLOOKUP mainly, okay? Or I need, let's say, thesis assistance using Excel. Okay, so probably you're in your master's, in your bachelor's, and you're looking for dissertation help. All you need to do is submit, and you will get your message has been sent, and all that you have filled will be available over here. And you will get a message which says that our executive will call you back within 24 hours. And if you are in a hurry, definitely you can WhatsApp us or WhatsApp call us on this number. Somebody will be there to help you. So I hope this was helpful. So now let me tell you what is the scene after this. So basically what will happen is we are going to call you. We are going to mutually discuss on the time where it is good for you and for the faculty. Most probably it's going to be me. It's going to be mutually beneficial to both of us to take up the lectures. And if you're taking up data analytics, so we are going to give you all the lecture links. You are required to complete the lecture links and practice them using your Excel. And once you're done, we are going to give you a question paper. You're expected to complete the same and submit it us within, let's say, 15 days, and we are going to evaluate it. And once you are done and you have received the passing marks or whatever marks you get, we are going to then hand you over the certificate. So you're going to get a certificate, an international professional degree certificate. Since Economics is registered with Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, MSME, and currently Skill India. So everything is going to be very fruitfully and professionally given it and handed out to you. So I hope that is going to be helpful to you. And that's about it. If you have any further queries, you know how to reach us, how to reach me. You can drop a message down below. You can email me personally. So if you want to email me personally, my email ID is shreya@ecofundonomics.com. And I hope this video was helpful. If you want more um, tutorials on how to use our services, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye.